What's going on, everyone? I'm Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to reduce the pain that's going on with your tailbone. Now, before I get started, I want to make sure that you turn on your push notifications. Subscribe to the channel, which you should have done before your push notifications, and also hit the like button if this video helps you out or maybe somebody else. I definitely understand when you sit down, it hurts. When you get up to try to relieve the pain, it still hurts. Sleep is no longer an option because you're still in pain. Now, if this sounds familiar, your tailbone might be inflamed. So what is the cause? To be more direct, the pain should be right above the butthole. What? I can't say butthole? The Uranus. You're not the planet Uranus, but your anus. Right above the butt. You know that little hole? Never mind. The tailbone, otherwise known as the coccyx, can be inflamed, which makes things a little bit uncomfortable to do, like sit down. This in turn is caused by a number of things. Now, it can include things like falling on hard surfaces. It's really common with people who are, involved in a lot of adventures or even play sports for that matter, who causes high impact with their physical activity. This could occur during a pregnancy too. It does happen to women among certain various trimesters. A lot of people who come to me with this particular type of injury usually do a lot of things like cycling, bowling, or even rowing for that matter. Things that require the same motions over and over again leads to coccyx pain. One of the best things you can do for yourself is invest in protective gear when you're playing sports, when you're doing those outdoor activities. Also too, watch where you're going. Falling on ice or slipping on water can definitely leave an impact on that tailbone. No pun intended. So now we know the causes and we know how to prevent it. Now let's learn how to treat it. Hot or cold packs are great for this particular kind of injury. What I suggest is placing it on the area for about 20 minutes. You want to do this about 3 to 4 times a day. Massages are always an option as well. Make sure you put light pressure on the affected area for about 10 minutes. I would suggest getting some type of massaging oil too in the meantime. The easiest and also the cheapest thing you can do for yourself is to invest in some Epsom salt. I can't stress this enough for your tailbone. If you want to take a bath, which is awesome, you can sit there for about 10 to 20 minutes in some warm water, add some Epsom salt to it, about 2 cups, and you're good to go. And you only have to do this once a day. Above all, posture, it may play an important part in this role as well. So stand up straight, stand up tall. Always mind what you're doing, that way you don't hurt yourself, and that can help relieve some of that back pain. Another investment might be a cushion for your tush. I almost said tushin. There are special cushions you can get for this recovery too, and I'll leave that link in the description down below. Diet plays a major role in this too as well. Constipation. If you don't have enough fiber in your system, constipation is going to be there, so you're adding pressure to that tailbone. In order to relieve that, eat more fiber, apples, bananas, the Fiber One bar, things of that nature. Something's going to help you ease everything out, if that makes sense. If you're having problems sleeping, try not to apply direct pressure on it by laying on your back. Matter of fact, if you want to check some options out for sleeping tips, make sure you click on this link here and either here or there, one of the two. But check those links out and it can help you with your sleeping posture. If push comes to shove, make sure you consult with your physician. That way you can find out exactly what's going on and make sure everything else is okay in the process. I hope this video helps you out. If so, make sure you hit that like button and also share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I'm Nathan Mixon, and I will catch you on the next workout, or actually next video. Peace.